Good morning, guys. It's me, Lolita of Health Over Lit. Thank you for clicking on my video. It's gonna be a short video, and I know I say that every time it ends up being long, but it's gonna be short because I gotta go to work. Okay. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in I don't know how long because I really haven't been ordering products like that. But I ordered this months ago, months ago. Without further ado, let's just get into this video. All right, guys, so I'm so excited to try these. Well, one product I've already tried, one product I have not. You guys may know what it is because everyone's been waiting. I've seen one video come across my feed, but I didn't watch it because I want to have my own unbiased opinion on it. And what I ordered was Whitney's. Her hair's so beautiful, isn't it? Whitney's, her new plumping deep conditioner. I ordered this stuff back in May, y'all, and I just got it. This is October the 4th. I received it yesterday, October the 3rd, okay? So many times I was like really thinking about canceling the order, but I was just like, no, you don't already pay for it. Just be patient. You're going to get it. So, but this new plumping deep conditioner, it says it's our new moisture rich reparative deep conditioner is designed to instantly hydrate, silken, smooth, and strengthen dry, brittle, coarse, and damaged hair on contact. So that's a little tall order, isn't it? But we know Whitney. I trust in her. I have actually used everything that she has. I love the oil. I love the leave-in. I love the shampoo. I just don't really like the twisting cream. I find that it doesn't give me the hold that I'm looking for. So that I don't really like, but I love everything else. So along with the plumping deep conditioner, I went ahead and ordered the shampoo because, like I said, I love the shampoo. So I have the shampoo, and y'all, she sent her packages. They are like the largest things ever. Like, this shampoo is going to last me 2 years. Okay, it's 16 fluid ounces. Let me check the price on it. The price point for the shampoo is $20. It's $20 for 16 ounces of shampoo. You guys know we use like a dime size. This is the one thing that we do use like a dime size amount of, for real. So, but her shampoo, it is an African black soap reviving shampoo with revitalizing tea tree, soothing turmeric, and black cumin seed. So that's the shampoo. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have seen or even have used it by now, but I have the shampoo. And without further ado, here's the deep conditioner, as usual, in true Natural 85 Whitney's fashion. Is a huge container. This is 16 fluid ounces. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no formaldehydes, and no phthalates. It's with hyaluronic acid, biotin, fenugreek, pumpkin, and bamboo. So I'm going to go ahead and take this top off. Of course, I'm not going to use it today because I just did these twists yesterday. Y'all, I have not done my twist this small in a very long time. And I'm not going to open it yet, y'all, because I'm not ready to break this seal. So I'm sorry. But I can tell when I turn it upside down, it's thick. It's not running at all. When I take these twists down, which will probably be like next week, I put them in yesterday, which was Tuesday. I plan on wearing them to next Tuesday and then take them out and wear a twist out until Friday, and then I will cleanse, condition, and I'm gonna put them back in. I haven't done them this small in so long. I mean, years, 3-4 years, maybe even 5. But it took me 2 hours to complete them. But I love them. I think they look so cute. What y'all think? I love them. So so next week when I take these out, when I'm ready to re-cleanse and condition my hair, I will jump on and make a video of using it and let you guys see the texture of it. It says how to use. A little goes a long way. Working in sections, use a nickel to quarter size amount, depending on your hair texture and density. Gently smooth the product in working in downward strokes from ends to roots. You may comb the product in to help distribute if desired. Leave in the hair up to 30 minutes, then rinse out and style as usual. So it doesn't say anything about use with heat. But of course, it's a deep conditioner, so I'm assuming that we can. And more than likely, that's what I would do. I don't know if I'll just use a regular dryer to do a deep conditioner or if I use my steamer. We'll see. But that's a deep conditioner. And because it took so long to get it, what Naptra 85 did with her little sweet self is that she included some of her satin head wraps. And this is the one that she sent me. The little pink little polka dot. I'm not sure if I would have picked pink, but hey, it's free, so I'm not gonna complain. Look how long it is. It's like hella long, and it's so soft. It's really, really, really soft. This is a large head wrap, guys. Jeez. This thing is humongous, but this is normally just how I wear my head wraps. Nothing intricate. I may have to go online and see about finding some different ways of wearing them. But this is normally all I do when I decide to wear a head wrap. And it is definitely getting cold in Georgia, so it's about to become head wrap season for me because I'm not really a wig person. So something like this, I would make it look cuter, of course, but something like that. That's how it is so soft. Oh my God, this thing is so soft. Oh, thank you, Naptra 85. I'm gonna wear my little pink polka dot and everything. Who cares? And then of course, she sent the Melanin Hair Care Lollipop. Mine is a little broken, but that's okay. That's all right. It go down the same, right? So that's all I have in here. The deep conditioner retail for $32. I guess that's gonna be the regular price. I ordered this stuff back in May when she did pre-orders, and I was amongst some of the first to order it. I really thought I was gonna get it way before October, but you know, she had some, I think, container issues and shipping issues and stuff. So I just stuck in there with my girl. That's my girl. So that's all I want to show you guys, that I got it. So I will see you guys in my next video, showing you guys the texture, the usage, and giving you guys my honest opinion on how I think it feels and how it makes my hair feel. So there we go. The last video I did, I said I was gonna trim my hair. It needed to be trimmed, and I did trim it. Now this looks more like a cut, so I probably did cut. Look at that. That might not be a trim, y'all. That might be a cut, but it needed it. My ends feel so much better. Like because when I was combing my hair and running my fingers through it, it would snag. Now that's not happening. So I definitely cut off what was needed. So that's a lot of hair, but it needed it. You guys know I don't shy away from the shears. Although I am trying to actively grow my hair out, so I'm trying to minimize how much I cut my hair because I'm one of those frequent cutters. But I did want to show you guys that I did go ahead and trim it. I said I was going to film it, but the day I did it, I think I did it last week when I did my wash and go. So this is October, so this is my month of 2-strand twists. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.